In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF and share it. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to send your file with confidence without getting lost in extra menus or settings. First, make sure the content you want to export is open on your screen. Most modern apps keep export tools within easy reach so you don't have to hunt around. Now click on Export on the right side. In many interfaces, this lives at the top right or along a right-hand panel. It might be labeled Export or show an icon like a box with an arrow or a download symbol. Export is different from save or save as. Saving keeps your work in its editable format, while exporting creates a share-ready copy. Using export ensures your layout, fonts, and images are packaged exactly as your recipients will see them. Next, choose PDF. PDF is the best all-around format for sharing because it preserves your design, keeps text crisp, and looks the same across different devices and operating systems. Many tools will show basic options when you choose PDF, such as page size, orientation, or image quality. If you see those, the default settings are usually safe for a quick, reliable result. High quality is better for print and detailed visuals, lighter sizes are faster to send. Either way, choosing PDF tells the app to generate a fixed, dependable version of your content. Give it a moment while it builds the file. Some apps generate it instantly, while others take a few seconds if your project is large. Finally, click on Share. The Share option ties everything together by letting you send the exported PDF through your preferred channel. Depending on your app and device, Share may open a panel where you can send the file via email, a messaging app, or a system share sheet. In cloud-based tools, Share can also provide a link that points to your exported PDF so people can view or download it without needing your original app. If a preview appears, that's just confirmation that your PDF is ready to go. Use the Share action to hand it off, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Click on Export on the right side, choose PDF so your layout stays perfect, and click on Share to get it into the right hands. With this simple flow, you can deliver polished professional files every time, with no surprises for you or your recipients. Thanks for watching.